Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 side mirror. This guide will walk you through each essential step, ensuring a smooth and successful process. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to carefully disconnecting the electrical components. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to confidently tackle this repair, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. Before you begin, having the right tools is crucial for a smooth removal. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, along with plastic trim removal tools to protect your vehicle's interior. A 10mm triple square bolt bit or various Torx bits, like T25 or T30, are also essential for fasteners. Always prepare a clean workspace and keep a soft cloth handy for delicate components. The removal process begins by carefully prying off the interior door panel, usually secured by several Phillips head screws and clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect the electrical wire harness for the window motor and mirror. Next, gently remove the mirror cover, which might have 1 or 2 screws. Finally, loosen and remove the main mirror mounting bolt, often a 10mm triple square, to detach the mirror assembly. To reassemble, first feed the new mirror's wire harness through the door opening. Secure the mirror assembly by tightening its main mounting bolt, typically to 12 Nm. Reconnect all electrical wire harnesses, including those for the mirror and window switches. Carefully reinstall the mirror cover and then the door panel, ensuring all clips engage and screws are tightened. Finally, test the mirror's electronic functions before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.